Good evening, and time is at about 3 o'clock, I think, and 3:05. So I'm in final stage of Sensex Expiry today. So I couldn't really record the video in the daytime because I was a little occupied. And today is definitely a good day and bad day as well. The bad day because morning Sensex opened at quite a bit of a gap up, and it's almost like 1% gap up. So I had overnight positions, predominantly 79700 CE, 79800 CE, and then I also had a hedge for PE, which is I think a 78900. I think that's what I remembered. So overall, the morning it actually opened because it's opened gap up, and I had to get into losses of close to 13 lakhs. And I did some bit of adjustments, but I'll talk about those adjustments in a moment. But however, today, so I finally chose to come back to straddle. The reason was I was predominantly hovering around 79800 and then 79600, but then I saw Sensex pretty much going in a straight line, especially from let me look at especially from level 11, I think. So there is not much of a move. There are like 50 points more here and there. I thought I'll take some risk there, but then I wanted to quickly take you through what I am doing here, right? So I have this last traded price at about 19, and also at the stop loss at about 30, and it is a trailing stop loss. So what would happen is, and in case if it hits, I will exit off of the positions, and in case if this hits, I will again exit off of the positions, and then there is a trailing stop loss for about 1. So what does this mean is whenever the price goes below the 1720, this also will go by one rupee, so that I will not get into massive losses in case if there is a reversal. So that's the this is anyway trade flow tool. So I thought I'll quickly take you through how this tool actually helps in trading. It's an indirect marketing for trade flow. I don't get any benefits, but then I thought I'll quickly take you through how this is actually helpful. And today, while it was in 13 lakhs losses, I to be honest, I did not really spend a lot of time in monitoring. So I took some positions and then I left it there. And it's not like miraculously profits came in, but I did have to put across some thinking process and then the strategy there. The only thinking that I had was because it was a massive gap up, and also there was some bit of a downfall at about 950. I think I felt the markets would not fall below that. The reason was yesterday all the global markets were positive, and that was the main reason. I think that's predominantly the main reason. There was no other reason, and then. After that, I started building PE positions and also started building CE positions again. And that's how the trade really happened. Let me quickly take it to Sensible. I need to stop to reshare. All right. So it is in Sensible still. I need a time at about 3:10. So, okay. I think, okay. So I had some exits. 79700 C got exited. Okay, all right. So, okay, Sensex is moving quite up. The synthetic future, it actually says 79727. So I have a stop loss now at about 33 rupees. So let's see what happened to Sensex. Okay, this is 28. Okay, that's fine. So I had put a stop loss, so I'm sure it will get executed in case it hits. Otherwise, I'm fine. Anyway, so coming back to this trade side. So morning I just said 79800 CE. It got into losses. Where is 700? 700 CE. Yeah, this one. So it got into, I mean, right now it is about 7.52, but then morning it went into almost like 12 lakhs. And this went to, there is a hedge here, which is P hedge. I'll show you that hedge also. Yeah, this hedge, 79400 P hedge, that also went into about 9 lakhs losses, while I had a 78500 PE, which is these are all accumulated to next to each other. So while it gave about 2 lakhs profit, but then it got into 9 lakhs loss, and this and then that combined, the overall I was into close to 13 lakhs losses. So only one thing that I did was when this one, which is 79800 still was in losses and there was a gap up. So I immediately sold 79800 PE. That time Sensex was about 79600, I think. I think that really helped me to get that about 4 lakhs here. And then once market started falling, I think at about 950 or so, maybe once, yeah. 950 or so have exited this. So that gave me some additional 4 lakhs profit there. And then after that, I started building some CE positions, some PE positions, no rocket science there. So just that it's mostly automated. Only thing is on the PE side, I had the larger number of quantities compared to CE side. That is the only change that I made, mainly from today's trading perspective. I think overall, it's a good day. And mid cap Nifty, it's very small trade, and I just did the C only 12,800 C. So I hope this will probably turn to green on Monday, but right now maybe I might end up closing. I do not want to really carry forward the overnight positions because of the experience today. I think I felt little risky. When I saw 13 lakhs losses, I thought I'll probably at least close it to 10 lakhs losses, but thankfully I got into profits, and technically if I did not do a net trade, I would have probably got about 13 plus 7, about 20 lakhs. But that's all right. So yesterday I was in 5 lakhs losses, I think. So it's kind of recovered. I think overall this month has been good. I think it's 6th day of trading, I believe. 7th day of trading, and out of 7 days, I think 6 days were profitable and 1 day was loss making. That was yesterday. I think that's all. I will mostly close this video right now, and I'll anyway share the profits or losses at the end of the day, and I'm not going to do one more video. That's all. And if you're not registered for the session on Sunday morning, please do register. And if you're not, you can also subscribe if you wish to the YouTube channel, but I'll leave the call to you. I will never ask the people to subscribe to the channel, because if you see the value, you'll subscribe. If you do not see the value, you will not subscribe. That's absolutely all right. I think that's all. Have a great remaining day, and see you all on Sunday. Bye-bye.